In this video, we are going to show you how to check and identify problems with your home Wi-Fi network with a Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's begin. First of all, to access this option, you need to unlock the Connectivity Labs option inside Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Here's how. Open Settings on your phone and navigate to Wi-Fi. Now tap on the three dots button at the top right corner. Now tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll all the way down. You will find a version number. Now tap on the version number multiple times. After you do this, you will see a message saying, Labs has been enabled. Now when you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a new option, Connectivity Labs. Tap on it. Now scroll down and look for an option named Home Wi-Fi Inspection. Tap on it. Now tap on Start. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. If your Wi-Fi network is not showing up, tap on Refresh and look again. Tap on Next and again on Next on the next screen. Now all you have to do is walk around inside your home with the phone in hand after tapping on Start. This is done to check the weak signal areas. Once you are finished, tap on Done to finish the inspection. So once it finds any weak spots, it shows you the solutions and fixes for the same on how to resolve the problem. And that is it. With a built-in system Wi-Fi inspector, there is no need for a third-party app as well. We hope this video helped you learn something new. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.